In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make your Weebly logo bigger in just a couple of minutes. If your logo looks too small or gets lost in your header, this quick adjustment will help your brand stand out instantly. So let's get started. First, log in to your Weebly account and head to your website dashboard. Once you're there, click on Website and then Edit Site to open the Weebly Editor. This is where you can customize every part of your site. When the editor loads, go straight to the header section at the top of your page. Click directly on your logo and Weebly will open the logo editing options. Here you will see a size slider that controls how large or small your logo appears. Simply drag the slider to the right to make your logo bigger or to the left to make it smaller. Adjust it until it fits perfectly with your header layout and looks clear and noticeable. Once you're happy with the size, click Done to save your changes. After that, hit Publish so your updated logo appears on your live site. Always take a quick look at your published page to make sure everything looks clean and aligned. And that's it, your logo is now bigger, bolder, and easier for visitors to recognize. Thanks for watching and check out our other Weebly tutorials for more quick improvements you can make to your site.